Hey Georgia, where are we going?
Volcano Bay!
Volcano Bay! Volcano Bay! Let's do it. We're getting on the bus in the parking deck. It's a different way of starting the day. In 20 minutes of parking lot, right? We were waiting for 20 minutes just to pay for parking. Georgia thinks it was 30. It was a lot. But now the minions are going to take us over from the parking garage to Volcano Bay. It's going to be great. Banana. Okay, we're first off the bus and we're going to pick up a Tapu Tapu band, which is free and sort of is their skip the line thing. You get one at a time, like it said. And so we'll tap into that and get a line. Then we'll go do something fun. But I can't wait to do the intense lazy river day. It's not lazy at all. It's so fun.
It's like the river ride. Crazy.
Yeah, exactly. Let's do it. Through the tunnel. Bum, 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 bum. It's like Adventureland, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, yeah. You can stay at Cabana Bay here and walk to the park, which is pretty cool. Volcano Bay. I sing Montego Bay here a lot. Oh, it's very Hawaiian, isn't it? Polynesian even.
Yeah, it is. I like the little...
You've been to Hawaii?
Yeah.
Let's put a picture of us here at the Honolulu airport. Coolest airport. Love it. Okay, here we go. Lindsay and I and Georgia, we want to really go back to Hawaii because we went to Aulani, which is amazing, but that's all we did. We just went to Aulani. We didn't really see real Hawaii, you know what I mean? Gosh, this is beautiful. It was way fun. All right. Volcano Bay. Okay, so we bought our tickets online. Thank you, Family Travel. They were $85 and $80. It's peak season. As Florida residents, it's cheaper if we go in the fall or winter, but right now, it's $85 and $80. 85 for adults and 80 for kids. But one of the best water parks in the world, for sure. Right up there with Blizzard Beach and Typhoon Lagoon. And I'm glad I got my tickets in advance because it sells out all the time. The last 3 Tuesdays we tried to come and it was sold out. 10 to 7. They close at 7 p.m. He's like throwing out flowers. Let me see your face. We're gonna have fun today. George's gonna hold this while I put on her Tapu Tapu band. So right when you scan into the park, like at Disney, they hand you one of these and we will put it on your wrist. It's sort of big, isn't it?
Is that adjusting thing?
Can you turn your little wrist over? Okay, how tight? Does that feel good or too tight?
It's good.
Okay, so right when you enter the park, go to the ride you want to ride first. And so you can go ahead and scan in so that Tapu Tapu is waiting in line for you. And you can go do something else that doesn't have a line. We'll go to the wave pool or hang out. Okay, let's get going. And they have Express Pass too. Ooh, Georgia, look at that. You want to go ride that water slide? That one is just straight down. It is intense. Is this guy talking to us? Hey, buddy.
Sitting here all day like this is really hard work.
Sitting here all day is hard work, hard rock. Okay, let's roll. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. My favorite ride here is the like sort of water coaster, so we're gonna go tap in for that one first. All right, Mommy put sunscreen in you already, right?
Yeah, but it was one. Well, we were ready.
It was like an hour and a half ago. Okay, I've got to remember to put on sunscreen. I'm gonna wear my hat all day, and I've got this sun shirt my brother Hunt gave me. Remember we went to Blizzard Beach on my birthday a year ago?
Yeah.
So fun. We love a water park. Lindsay's got a day off today, and she's taking it, and me and Georgia are celebrating for you. All right, let's do it. Best ride here, the Krakatau Aqua Coaster. Watch this up here. Bump, bump. So it says 150 minutes. That's why we come here as fast as we can, because
Now it's at 140.
it's the most popular ride. So I'm glad we did that. And it's called the Krakatau Aqua Coaster. Okay, so this corner of the park just opened, and so she said it's all right now. So your Tapu Tapu band, you you can ride what you're waiting for, and then if it says ride now, you don't have to worry about waiting. So we're gonna put our stuff in these lockers and then go have fun and ride some rides. Let's do it. All right, we're going over the river. We're going on the green slides. Woohoo! This will be fun. We get to ride together. Here they come. Whee! Look at those apartments. You can live right next to Volcano Bay. There's a lot of rides. How long do you think we'll stay today, Georgia?
I don't know.
Wow. Here we go. Whoa! Yeah! Another tunnel! Oh, we're outside again. Hold on. Yeah! Oh! Okay, Georgia, what did you think of that?
It was so awesome.
That was fun, right? I already forgot the name because I can't pronounce so many. But let's go do the Intense River or the Lazy River?
Intense.
The Intense River. Let's do it. For all intents and purposes. Get it? Intense. Intense. Okay, let's go. Dad jokes. Okay, this is called the Te Awa, the Fearless River. And you have to wear a life jacket, okay?
Yeah, since we
What does it say?
It says remember to smile on the green side.
Remember to smile. Maybe there was a camera?
Yeah, I think there was.
Who knows? Who knows? Okay, we're looking ultra cool. Let's go float, okay? Let's do it. Woohoo! All right. You ready, buddy?
Yeah.
So we are wearing our Tevas and our Crocs with the heels on them. Oh, it's nice and warm, isn't it? It's not cold water. It's not hot, but oh, let's watch the roller coaster come by. We can ride that in 2 hours without waiting.
My face is stuck.
Your face is stuck?
Yeah,
Okay, we're going in the car. Whoa, there they went. You okay? Put your feet in front of you. Can you put your feet in front of you? There you go. Okay, here we go. We're going fast now. Isn't that crazy? Oh, yeah. Oh, we're going to go into the volcano. Uh-oh, is this just going to put us on a slide that goes straight down?
No.
Oh.
No, Dada.
Look at the water coaster. That's what we're going to ride.
Wow.
Isn't that cool? Here, now just hold my hand. I won't let go. Oh, Georgia! Here come. Here's where the waves come from. So they'll let out water here and a big wave will come. Whoa, it's bubbly. You feel the bubbles? Bubbles, 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 bubbles. I think that's what we just rode. Oh! Here's where another wave pool comes out of the wave. You see him? Keep your eye on him. That's what pushes us along. Wow. Whoa. Oh, here's our slide we were on. One of the green ones, right? Oh, yeah. Relaxing. Whoa. You let go. Georgia was in the adult extra small, but this is the youth medium. Yeah, and there's no gap above you. That's better, right? Okay, you want to pull it really tight? Okay, let's try one more lap. Let's do it. Whoa, there are the waves. Look up. Whoa, Olivia would love this. Whoa. I feel like I'm out in the middle of the ocean. Whoa.
Me too.
Whoa, whoa.
Go to this side. There are more waves in the middle.
Wow. It's rocking and rolling. Okay, we ran to the locker and got ice cold LaCroix that I brought, which was free from home, and my credit card. Now, I recommend hooking up your credit card on the app, and you can put it on your Tapu Tapu, and then you just get to swipe all day and don't have to go back to the locker to get your credit card. 105 minutes. Excellent. We're going to get the Hawaiian pizza, no jalapenos, for Georgia. A little snack, keep us fueled before the lunch rush. Pro tip, get lunch before everybody else does, right? Because at 12:30, 1 o'clock, this line's going to be really long. Look at this pizza. Wow. So they made it to order because I asked for the pickled jalapenos on the side. I think that's actually going to be good. Yummy. What do you think of that? Let's review it, you know. Oh yeah, it's got all kinds of goodies and toppings on it.
I'm gonna wait especially for the top.
Spread them apart there. I'll see.
Pineapple.
It's all squishy and doughy. Mmm.
So yummy.
Very mild marinara. Let's try it with jalapeno. Mmm. That's fun and funky.
Okay.
Make it exciting for Dad. Put a little jalapeno on there. Okay, our wait time for Krakatau is 90 minutes, right? So we're going to go to the kids' play area and play. Amazing.
Yeah, thank you, Tapu Tapu, for standing in line for us.
Thank you, Tapu Tapu. What's it called? Runamucky Reef. Runamucky Reef. Can you remember that?
Runamucky Reef.
Oh, we're getting sprayed. Okay. Runamucky Reef. Look at that blue slide, Georgia. Whoa. That's fun.
See how to get up there?
There are volcanoes everywhere. Georgia could get her $80 worth here, just in this little area. Uh-oh, is she too tall? She may be too tall for this one. Okay, no shoes, no goggles rule. That's what happened. So I got the shoes and the goggles. All right. Here's Georgia. Oh, here she goes. Wow. Okay, now to the purple and orange line. Okay. Okay, back for the orange one?
Yeah.
Okay. Here she goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Yeah. Oh yeah. So I can wear shoes up here and glasses and a hat.
Why not?
But I can't ride anything with that, which is totally fine. Was that slide fun, buddy? Was that one fun? Whoa, the volcano! Double volcanoes, yeah? Uh-oh. I think I might get wet on this one. Oh, it's very wet. Woo! Okay, here goes Georgia. I'm gonna squirt her. Here she goes. I got her. Here she goes. Where did she end up? Wow, that's a long slide. She's way down there. Oh, is this the big volcano? Look out!
It's a jumper puppy.
Wow. Okay, you're gonna go in the tunnel one? Wow, she's almost too tall for the kids area. Here she goes, she's somewhere in there. All the way down. So note that, 54 inches. If you're like over 9, you're out of luck on that one. Okay, I'm following you. I like this river.
It's creepy. It goes to the
How was the tube slide? Was it scary?
Just in a cave.
Wow. Cool. Spooky. Whoa. Okay, let's go to the beach or the wave pool, whatever it is. Look at that gator. The reef pool. Ooh, it's colder. It feels colder. But refreshing. Oh yeah. Oh look, you can do your tapu tapu on there. It squirts. Now put your hand on that one. Now you have to block the one. See the one that's going? Now block this one. Block that one. Uh-oh. Whoa! It bubbles. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
It bubbles up if you don't get it. Then cover it up, cover it up.
Okay, here it comes. Here it comes, look out! That's fun. That's a fun little puzzle. Okay, I'm gonna film you underwater, George, okay? You gonna do it?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, a big gong just happened, so I think it's time for the wave pool. Look at him clapping. Clap. Clap. I think it's time for the wave. Are you scared? Are you scared of the Volcano Bay wave? Stop, 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 stop. Tapu, tapu. Oh, they're praying to the tiki gods of the volcano.
Once you see it, turn around,
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Tell me when it's done.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, there it comes. Here come the waves. The waves, man. You see the waves? Okay, the GoPro, I don't know, it's never gotten wet on the inside, but somehow water got on the inside. So, in the middle of the wave pool, it's toast. So I'm on my iPhone and I want to show you this ride because it's the best one. And our tapu tapu, what does it say?
It says
10 minutes, it's time! There it is, 10 minutes. Krakatau. All right. So Georgia, we're gonna start right there and go down the green and the blue and then go into the volcano. Yeah, this is like the one at Typhoon Lagoon, but it's like 3 times as long. It really is the best right here, and it's a shame we won't be able to ride it twice because I think the next return time will be like 5 o'clock or something. We'll see what it says. We'll see what it says. It's always a great tip if you can come in the off season. When I was here, I got to ride everything. It was amazing. It made a buzz? And what does it say? Return anytime. Yay, it's time. Hallelujah, let's do it. Follow you. Oh yeah. There they go. You ready to do that? Sorta.
All boats accommodate a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 4 riders.
Good job! Yeah! Here comes the rock! Going up, going up! Whee! Yeah, buddy, you're awesome! You got it! Going down! Going up, going up, going up! Yeah! Excellent! Woo! Doing okay? You got it! You're doing great! Okay, Georgia, what did you think of that?
It was a little bit more scary than I thought, but it was awesome.
Can you believe all those hills? And we were on conveyor belts going shooting up the hill. So fun. Okay, and now that we've ridden it, the next return time is 235 minutes. So how long is that? 120? That's like 3 hours, 45 minutes, something like that? I'm not good at math. I have a degree in musical theater. But like 4 hours is the next time you could ride this. So get here before the park opens And you can tap into that one and get an earlier ride time. Now we can tap something else. Let's go see what we can tap here. Okay, Maku Puihi is what we're gonna go to. Maku Puihi. Yeah, these are good, right? Maku Puihi. Let's go tap in there. Then we can ride the green and blue ones while we wait for this one. There's the raging river. Here we go. Let's see. Maku Puihi. Okay, Georgia's tapping. You're now in this line, it says. You're already in this line, it says. You did it. Yay. Excellent. All right, now let's go back to the one that doesn't have a weight. Okay? Excellent. So these are the body slides up here. Georgia's not a big fan of body slides. But there's so many rides here. It's crazy, right? Look at them floating along. Here they come. Hello. Get it, Georgia. Get it. That was a warm tube, wasn't it? Yeah, green slide going down. Yeah. Look out. Splash, splash. Whoa, go, 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 go. Well, we rode that without waiting very long, right? It's like 10, 15 minutes. Okay, it's churro time. Let's do it, churro. Uh-oh, did you get churros? Churro. It looks really good. Is it sugary and cinnamony?
Not really at the top, but at the bottom it'll be more sugary.
Then you got chocolate too. Lucky.
Yeah.
Okay, we're dipping it. I think it's like Hershey's syrup. It's not like fudge. Not as good as I thought. What do you think?
It's good, but not as good as I thought, like you said.
How's the churro though? Disney quality? Good. You think Daddy can have a bite? Just a tiny dip, tiny dip. Yep. It's warm, crunchy, and gooey all at once. That's good quality. Well, I just saved another $10. So I got a Diet Coke and a juice, and the soda machine was $4.50 for no free refills. So nailing it. Okay, what does it say?
5 minutes.
I am trying to get it. There we go. 5 minutes. All right.
I like the little swirly. It
Looks
like a
like-
fingerprint.
Looks like the heart of Tefiti, right? Oh, I'm not. What's happening back there? Whoa, Georgia, look at that! We just skipped it all. Whoa! Okay, well, thanks for joining us at Volcano Bay.
Volcano Bay.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think compared to Typhoon Lagoon or Blizzard Beach? It's totally different, right?
Yeah, I kind of like this a little better because I like the fast river and the wave pool is not so intense as the Typhoon.
Yeah, I wish that we didn't have to tap in and we could just ride whatever we want.
Yeah.
Like we sort of had to wait, but it's a very busy day. So come in the off season and or on a weekday, you might have better luck. But remember, if you like our vibe,
You should subscribe.